Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect Microsoft Excel to n8n. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the n8n dashboard, and from there you then want to create a new workflow on which you have to select your specific trigger. So we have multiple triggers right here. For example, you have the trigger manually depending on your style. You have an on-app event, on a schedule, on a webhook call, and more. You can just select your trigger in order for this automation to work. From there, we then want to select or search for Microsoft Excel, and then you want to input your credentials to connect with. Now you can just click here on this button and you will be redirected onto your Microsoft Excel 365. You then have the authentication that you will get from the sheet itself. You have your resource and operation. You can just completely modify this depending on your workflow. From there, you then want to connect it to other applications, or you want to connect it to the One Simple API. And finally, you can connect it to other applications like ChatGPT, as shown on this specific example right here. From there, you can just test it out and see if it works. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.